Cannellini beans are one of the most refined and quietly powerful legumes in the world. Known for their large size, creamy texture, and mild flavor, these white beans have played a central role in traditional diets for centuries. While often associated with Italian cuisine, cannellini beans are far more than a regional ingredient. They represent balance, nourishment, and culinary versatility at a global scale. Scientifically, cannellini beans are a variety of Phaseolus vulgaris, the same species as kidney beans and black beans. What sets cannellini beans apart is their smooth skin, soft interior, and ability to absorb flavors without losing structure. This quality made them a preferred bean in slow-cooked dishes long before modern cooking technology existed. The origins of cannellini beans trace back to the Americas, where common beans were domesticated thousands of years ago. After the Columbian Exchange, these beans were introduced to Europe, where they adapted exceptionally well to Mediterranean climates. Over time, Italian farmers selectively cultivated larger, whiter, creamier beans, what we now recognize as cannellini beans. In Italy, cannellini beans became a foundational food, particularly in rural and peasant cooking. They were inexpensive, filling, and nutritionally dense. In regions such as Tuscany, cannellini beans earned the nickname, the meat of the poor. This was not an insult, but a recognition of their ability to provide protein and energy when meat was scarce or unaffordable. Nutritionally, cannellini beans are highly efficient. They are rich in plant-based protein, complex carbohydrates, and dietary fiber. This combination supports steady energy release and long-lasting fullness. Their low-fat content and absence of cholesterol make them suitable for heart-conscious diets. Cannellini beans are also a strong source of micronutrients. They provide iron, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and folate. Potassium supports blood pressure regulation, while magnesium plays a role in muscle and nerve function. Their high fiber content contributes to digestive health and supports beneficial gut bacteria. One of the defining characteristics of cannellini beans is their texture. When cooked properly, they become creamy without falling apart. This makes them ideal for soups, stews, purees, and salads. Unlike firmer beans, cannellini beans create a smooth mouthfeel that blends seamlessly into dishes. Culinarily, cannellini beans are most famously used in Italian recipes such as minestrone, pasta e fagioli, and bean-based spreads. They pair exceptionally well with olive oil, garlic, herbs, tomatoes, and leafy greens. Their mild flavor allows them to highlight other ingredients rather than dominate the dish. Beyond Italy, cannellini beans are widely used in modern global cooking. They appear in Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, and contemporary plant-based cuisines. Chefs favor them as a clean, neutral protein source that adapts easily to different flavor profiles. From an agricultural perspective, cannellini beans share the sustainability advantages of other legumes. They are nitrogen-fixing plants, meaning they improve soil fertility naturally. This reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers and supports environmentally responsible farming practices. Cannellini beans also require significantly fewer resources than animal-based protein sources. They have a lower water footprint and generate fewer greenhouse gas emissions. As food systems face increasing environmental pressure, beans like cannellini offer realistic and scalable solutions. Historically, cannellini beans were valued for storage and reliability. Dried beans could be stored for long periods without refrigeration, providing food security through winter months and periods of scarcity. This reliability cemented their place in traditional diets. In modern nutrition, cannellini beans are increasingly recognized for their role in plant-based eating patterns. They offer whole food protein without heavy processing, additives, or artificial ingredients. This makes them appealing in clean label and minimally processed diets. Cannellini beans also support metabolic health. Their fiber slows carbohydrate absorption, helping regulate blood sugar levels. This makes them suitable for people seeking balanced energy rather than rapid spikes and crashes. Despite their many benefits, cannellini beans remain understated. They lack dramatic color or strong flavor, but this neutrality is their strength. They function as a culinary foundation rather than a centerpiece. In a world driven by novelty foods and constant reinvention, cannellini beans represent continuity. They have fed generations quietly and effectively. They do not need trends to remain relevant. Cannellini beans are not just an ingredient. They are a system food, nourishing, adaptable, sustainable, and proven over time. Their value lies not in hype, but in consistency.